Oh, that was a lot.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shelly here. We are in Honor Heights, Muskogee.
Vlogging, bro. Bro, me?
We're looking at these 17. What are these called?
This is no joke.
It's not creepy at all.
I mean,
There's the water running out a little bit. So guys, we'll keep you updated. See you soon. Guys, my family's doing something weird. That's okay though. I'm having a really good time.
there's the woods.
Pure nature right here.
Pure nature.
The adventures begin.
What's up? I am back. We are at like a what do you call this?
Like that little pier thing?
Yeah, pier. Yeah, little pier thing. The water. There's the ducks over there. Duck family. Sisters, brothers, mothers, aunties. I made up that on the spot. I am Doug. It's all beautiful and stuff. It's all beautiful. There's the woods. Backwoods. Pure nature. What's up, everybody? We are currently in Muskogee.
Yeah.
We are currently in Muskogee. Just touring around. Haven't been here ever until today, but it's been kind of cool though. It's been cool. We are currently gonna be walking a trail. There's a little waterfall in the middle of the lake. There's the deck. It looks so cool. Oh, we can't even get in. I wish I was unlocked.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shelly here.
Stop vlogging! Stop vlogging, bro. Bro, me? We are surrounded by like woods. This is no joke.
It's not creepy at all.
I mean, no.
There's the water running out. So guys, we'll keep you updated.
Yeah. Hey.
Never here.
I got a leg. I got a leg.
Oh. You got ready?
Yeah, started from the bottom down here.
Kimchi.
Downhill. Literally. We're going downhill. Little waterfall. This view though is amazing. Little rocks and stuff. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please sit to the river. I'll continue.
Hiking and flip floppers.
Hiking in flip floppers. Hiking in tennis shoes. Weather. And we are back at the bottom. Almost. I said almost. Jeez. There's the road. Right here. Well, one of the roads. Just look at that.